FaceFusion is a free open-source tool that uses cutting-edge generative AI to easily swap faces in videos. It can convert the faces of people in videos to face images you provide with incredible accuracy. Since it uses Colab, a free cloud service from Google, you can try out high-quality face-swapped videos regardless of your PC or smartphone specs. Using the Colab link provided here, you can access the FaceFusion interface with just a few clicks without needing to sign in. Upload the face image you want to replace into the source section and the video you want to replace the face in into the target section. The face-swapped video can be downloaded to your PC or smartphone.
Click on the Google Colab link. The Google Colab screen will open. Click on Sign In the upper right corner of the screen and sign in with your Google account. Click on Install and run it. Two warnings will appear, but ignore them and click on Run Anyway. The installation is complete. Next, run the Run UI. When two blue links appear, click the lower link. The FaceFusion user interface screen will appear. Upload the image of the face you want to replace to the Source field. Upload the video you want to replace the face in to the Target field. A preview of the image with the face replaced will be displayed. Click Start. When processing begins, the progress will be displayed in the terminal. When processing is complete, the generated video will be displayed in the Output field. Click the arrow in the upper right corner of the Output field to download the video to your PC. If there are scenes in the target video where the face is turned sideways, check the 90 box in the face detector angle. Switch the audio format of the output audio encoder to AAC. With the free plan, you may reach the usage limit and experience runtime disconnections. If you like it, please consider GoLab's paid plan. With the 90-day plan for 1,179 yen, FaceFusion can be used for approximately 70 hours. For more details, please check our blog post. Thank you for watching until the end.